Welcome back. After months of relative dormancy, the bid rigging case against a trio of senior aides to Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo rumbling to life once again. As most of you will recall, 3 weeks ago, the Texas Rangers obtained a fresh batch of search warrants targeting encrypted messages exchanged and potentially deleted by the defendants and unindicted players connected to this alleged scheme. This week, we learned prosecutors sought and obtained superseding indictments related to the existing felony charge of misuse of official information. Panel, I'm going to bring up the issue of timing. That is, the Democratic primary for district attorney is exactly 4 months away. Does that play in here, you think, Holly?
Who knows? I mean, you know, the thing is, everybody's been wondering what's going on with these cases, right? And then all of a sudden we have these new search warrants. They are executed, I think, although one of the indicted staffers, Alex Triantafilus, tried to quash these new search warrants, saying that, you know, you don't need any new information. You have everything you need. But apparently we're looking at possible destruction of evidence. These new charges are interesting, and I think that there could be more indictments, you know, just talking to some of the people on the scene here. But clearly part of what happened with Lina Hidalgo in the past few weeks was to try to get out in front of this issue and place a target on Kim Ogg right before her primary.
Quickly, if it can be proven that Hidalgo's staffers actually deleted government records, which is the communications, is that a crime?
Yes. That's destruction of government documents, and it's obstruction of justice. So, look, they're doing their research. They're getting all their acts and lines in a row, so they can go to trial. So there's more and new information in this case. It's fascinating, and I do anticipate Lina's getting indicted. I think that's why she got out and tried to finesse this, and why she's actively campaigning for Kim's opponent, because she hopes he'll win the primary, and if he wins the general, he'll dismiss all the cases as a political favor to her.
20 seconds.
All right. Yes, I was, like everybody else, wondering what was going on with this, because we hadn't heard anything for months. And I'm telling you all that these new indictments coming out, you know, they wanted to see what was on those WhatsApp apps because they couldn't see them before, but now they can, and I expect new indictments are going to come out. But what I think they're really looking for is to see who orchestrated all of this, because you see, I don't know, last thing I heard before she became county judge was she worked at a Starbucks or something. But anyway, they want to see who led this. Who led this? How do we get to this? That's what they're looking for.
30 seconds.
Yeah, so we haven't seen the indictments yet, so we don't know exactly. But it's hard to imagine they don't relate to the search warrants, and probably going back and filling additional factual allegations about what they found as a result of the search warrants, which appears to be that a lot of messages were intentionally deleted.
All right, we're going to leave it there.
Well, one quick point. We still haven't gotten our money back, all of it.
Right.
Chris Hollins, where's